Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. For 3 months, I served as an associate chaplain at the Philippine Heart Center as part of our clinical pastoral education. And one very significant lesson I learned from my visits to the patients and our processing is to never spiritualize experiences. Never spiritualize experiences. One afternoon, one of my classmates talked to a patient. The patient told him that he needs to get an open heart surgery as soon as possible. But the problem is, they cannot afford the fees. Too expensive. And they are just poor and they do not know how to raise such funds. My classmate, not knowing what to say, told the patient, just go to the chapel and pray to God. Talk to Jesus about your experiences. On first look, parang tama naman. Or may tama naman yung aking kaklase. You need to get guidance. We all need to get enlightenment from the Lord. However, it's not really solving or addressing the issue or the problem. Our supervisor told him, sana you suggested to him about the social services of the hospital. Or better, sana tumahimik ka na lang at nakinig sa kanya. Madalas naman, pag may taong nagkukwento ng problema sa atin, it's not because they want answers. Sometimes they just want to vent out, and they only want someone who will listen to them. You know, dear friends, I would like to highlight in our gospel a very important lesson as experienced also by Jesus, to grieve and focus on our feelings. We all know that John the Baptist is the cousin of Jesus. And upon hearing his gruesome and devastating death, Jesus wanted to grieve and dwell on his feelings too. And that's what's written in the introduction of the gospel. When Jesus heard of the death of John the Baptist, he withdrew in a boat to a deserted place by himself. Imagine, yung taong malapit sa'yo, pinugutan ang ulo, inilagay sa plato ang ulo, ginawang regalo. And they knew that John the Baptist is a righteous man and a prophet. Jesus must have been so sad and emotional that time. And that's why he withdrew in a boat by himself. Gusto niya sigurong mapag-isa muna. Gusto niya munang pahupain kung ano yung kanyang nararamdaman. Gusto niya munang magmuni-muni at tumahimik mag-isa. And many times we think, ay si Jesus, Diyos naman yan eh. Kayang-kaya niya yan. Yes. But maybe we also forget that He is also human. Nalulungkot, nababagabag, pinanghihinaan din ng loob, katulad natin. And so, you know, dear friends, never ever spiritualize your experiences. Kasi instead na matulungan po tayo niyan, lalo lang po tayong magkakaproblema pag hindi natin hinarap ang ating mga nararamdaman. And let us learn from the example of Jesus. Human as we are assured that God can resonate with us. Sigurado tayo na nakaka-relate sa atin ng Diyos. Siya nga mismo nakaramdam ng lungkot. Amen.